Hey friends, if you wish to fix Bing search not working in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the thing, the default search engine is Bing. Okay, let's say that you search for anything. Let's say you search for online games. Okay, and hit enter. So it will search for it in Bing. Now this may have changed, or this may have I mean this all functionality may have been removed. So here's what I would have done if I was you. First of all, I'll click these three dots here. I'll select history. I'll click on the bin symbol, and then I'll click on clear now, and then I'll click on this history, and then I will select extensions, and then I'll go to manage extensions, and I will remove any problematic extension. Okay, these two things done. If it doesn't work, I'll straight away click on these three dots, settings, reset settings, and restore settings to the default value, and then reset. That's it. It fixes the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.